best way to predict the future is to invent it. So what gets me up in the morning is inventing the future. I am Jeff Aldham and I work at Digital Aerolus. We develop autonomous tech for any vehicle that flies, drives, dives, or swims is what we say. How are we different in autonomy? One is that we built this system based on a model of the human brain from the top down. And our whole way of operating is based on an autonomous predictive system. Two is we built it to be predictive versus reactive, which is really to say that it's built like the human brain. The very way that we do that is based on a mathematical framework that we operate our larger autonomous framework in, and that mathematics allows us to be predictive. So our approach is fundamental. It absolutely is top down. It absolutely looks like the human brain, which is very different. It absolutely is focused on predictive, and it's absolutely based on using mathematical techniques that have largely been unheard of, certainly in any applications like this. We're an autonomous technology provider whose first line of products have been and are a line of what we call the Aerolus semi-autonomous drones. And they're specifically focused on confined spaces and places where GPS is denied. These products fly stably and respond to the environment in magical ways. Now, products from us mean two things. It means both a series of flying UAVs, and then also we're working with customers to take our technology to do more than just drones. And one of the, what I call most important questions you can ask is why this team? And the best answer is always because we've done this before. We've developed basically transformable technology, whether it's Wi-Fi or early smartphones or millimeter imaging or capnography or a good part of pulse oximetry, things that change everyday lives. Technology that sits in the pockets of most human beings, we had something to do with as a group. We want to invent a new world. We want to be, key players in creating autonomy that makes the world a safer and more profoundly efficient place, that makes human existence easier. That's what we're doing. We're doing that at first with drones, but we certainly, our larger play as autonomous systems in a broader sense. It's changing the world. It's inventing a new world that I want my children or grandchildren or people that I care for to live in.